I took my kitschy Aruba fridge thermometer outside to show you. It is seriously hot today, over 30 degrees centigrade, over 90 Fahrenheit. Oof, I really need to cool off. And since we are talking about Christmas in July this month, let's talk snowflake patterns. Amphibie Crochet. Hi and welcome back to my channel for Christmas in July. It's the 30th of July. We're getting towards the end. Let's hang in there for a couple of more days. Today, on this very hot summer day here in Holland, I'm going to talk about Christmas snowflake patterns. And this is a nice one. You can put on a coaster or somewhere else. It's cute, it's simple and effective. There are many snowflake patterns online. I'm just going to click through some of them. At the end of this video, I will show you a website and I will link to that if I can remember. Snowflake hairs, hang on. Yeah, cute. This is an Afghan. Let me pause for a second. I want to finish my sentence. I'm going to show you a website where a lot of this kind of snowflakes, you can find a pattern for free. And that is certainly worth to take a look there. So, okay, this is an Afghan. I love the color combination. This is a fiery color combination, but you also have the more snowy-like color combination. Ah, it's gorgeous. I have them together again. And this is a snowflake hat. Here it is crocheted on a blue hat, but you can also crochet it, different sizes, different colors. Here it is on a red one, and here's the snowflake itself. You can also use that for something else. A snowflake scarf, it's adorable. And all these little snowflakes are absolutely cute. This is more of a vintage package. You get the whole ornament set together. But of course the snowflake, I love this one. I love the little balloon one. What a great idea for a Christmas bauble to do. But the snowflakes are also very nice. Oh, we already seen this one and another one and the whole set. This is more like a flower snowflake, gorgeous. And we have probably some more. So there's so many snowflakes. I like this one. It's sort of a Scandinavian type feel to it. It's embedded in a lot of other stuff. So it's not a straightforward pattern this at all, but the effect is quite nice. You can use it as a decoration or as a coaster or something. And you can get some bling on there as well if you want to. The back is felt, nicely done. And here's another hexagon square. You can use it to make an Afghan, but also for anything else that you want to make, like a purse. Different colors, but the snowflake or star pattern is in there. And a little, what's this? Tea light holder. Do not put real candles in this stuff, okay? Just don't. And a heart snowflake. I like this one as well. So this is a bit of a combination of different things that you can use snowflakes for. This is a little heart one. I like the one with the different color in the middle. Here's the tea light again, different color, so you can make it to adjust to your decor. This is tatted. I'm not sure, but it's a sort of crochet, isn't it? Sort of Irish crochet, I think it's called. These are beautiful, but I have no idea how to do it. But I wanted to include them because some of you probably might know that. And I like this one as well, also vintage pattern, but it's a 3D thing. So you crochet a couple of them and then you put them together in a 3D bobble type of very complicated looking snowflake pattern thing. Here's another set. I had to include this one because it's adorable. It's like a wreath for your door. It's a massive snowflake and he's a friendly looking fella. Different shots, different nose, close up, and the back is nicely done as well. And a little snowflake doll. I thought that was cute to include. The snowflake is actually quite nice. I think I have a better shot of that. I always wonder how you get these things to be so stiff. I think I'm gonna do a video about trying that out because I'm not really good at them. The 3D ones again, and these are lace snowflakes, very, very delicate, very nice. And these are snowflakes for as ornaments in your tree or on your, as you put a magnet on it on your fridge. It's a nice little photo frame, and you can also give this to grandmother or to family members. They're absolutely adorable. Look at the little face in there. It's so cute. And I had to include this one. This looks like it's crocheting itself. The snowflake creature. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's very cute. And here it is again. Look at this. It has little beads here. It's a sort of nice little blingy touch. Another snowflake doll. I thought it was adorable, so I wanted to include it in this list. She's absolutely cute. And another one. I couldn't help myself. They are all so very cute. Mr. Snowflake is quite cool with his scarf, and he does look like he loves to party. Next, with the great bags under his eyes. A snowflake garland, great idea for in your Christmas tree or along a banister or the hearth or something. I don't know where you can put those, but you can put them anywhere you want, really. Very blingy snowflakes, adorable. I like the combination of these beads in the middle and larger beads. Yes, it gives a nice blingy, extra festive feel to it, and you can make them in many colors and using many kinds of beads, very elaborate or just more subtle. Another vintage Christmas snowflakes, very nice. And more snowflakes. There's just so many snowflakes. As I said, I'm going to show you the website. This is another snowflake girl. So she's adorable. I love her hair, but she has this snowflake as a top and also is holding a snowflake banner. So she's ready for winter. And oh, she has also a snowflake skirt. Very cute. And she's here with a friend and more snowflake. There's such an, like snowflakes themselves, there's as many patterns out there. And if you make them very small, you can wear them as earrings. It's adorable. More snowflakes, even more snowflakes. And here she is again, and again, and again, and again. And a snowflake basket. So this is sort of crocheted in there, sort of nice thing for Christmas to put stuff in. And another close-up of it. And this is a very nice crochet pattern for a snowflake. It sort of has the 3 snowflakes in there. It's nice as a decoration. I think I have another shot of it. You can see how big it is. Excellent. I think that's it. Yeah, this is the first one. Let's take a look at that website, shall we? Let's see if I can find it. Okay, here we are. Let's make this fit the screen so you can actually see. The website is crochettreasures.com. 100 snowflakes, and if you scroll down you can actually see. I haven't counted them, but I'm sure there's a lot of them. And let's just click on a random one, and then you go to the pattern. So this is a very active person who has scoured the web to find also I do apologize for my very slow internet. This person has scoured the web for all the free snowflake patterns out there and has put them all together. So here you have the snowflake itself, and then you can find the pattern here. So how awesome is this? So you can do that for every single one of them. So if you're looking for a flat design, and my bad internet doesn't load this very well, but I hope yours is better. Of course, I'm going to link this website below so you can check it out. Are you ready for the final installment tomorrow of Christmas in July? I hope to see you then. and I wish you happy crocheting.